Welcome, yogis. Today, we're unveiling the top yoga mats of 2025 to help you find your perfect fit. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned practitioner, the right mat can elevate your practice. Let's dive in. First on our list is the Manduka Pro Yoga Mat. Celebrated for its durability and dense cushioning, it offers unparalleled support and joint protection. Ideal for those seeking longevity in their mat. Next up, the Nike Training Mat 2.0. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for yogis on the move. Despite its slim profile, it provides excellent grip and comfort, making it a travel essential. For those on a budget, the Balance from All-Purpose Yoga Mat is a fantastic choice. Affordable yet high quality, it features double-sided non-slip surfaces and ample cushioning for a safe practice. Hot yoga enthusiasts will love the Rigid Fitness Thick Yoga Mat. Its moisture-wicking surface ensures a slip-free experience, even during the sweatiest sessions. Plus, it's anti-odor and easy to clean. Lastly, the Jade Harmony Yoga Mat. Made from natural rubber, it's an eco-friendly option that doesn't compromise on grip or comfort. A favorite among environmentally conscious yogis. Find your perfect mat. Links in description. Choosing the right yoga mat can transform your practice. Explore these top picks through the links in the description and find the one that resonates with you. Namaste.